Welcome to Gracey House Tour. Okay guys, so Gracey sent me this video this morning. So I said I go share it with them because a few only that asked me, oh, you go for Gracey and you make her see our new house. Alright, here you go. Gracey sent me our tour she set up. But I'm gonna keep watching because at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you one little secret. Yes, so this is our living room. This not nowhere close to our bedroom. This is like a different section of the house. So there's a little, where anybody come and sit down and be comfortable. That is it. You don't want to sit down in the chair, the Gracey. So put them there so for me. I do a little voiceover guys, cause Gracey not talking at the videos like she had done me. I don't know why she never talk about something in the video. So now I have to come here and talk like a parrot for entertainment. Anyways, this is our little living area. She had do her laundry. It's nice when you have your little laundry in your home, so I forgot a laundromat. Remember the days then when I forgot a laundromat? Nice when you have a little washing machine right there in your house. In the apartment where we used to live, we used to have washing machine downstairs, but we just never like it. Guest bedroom. Guest bedroom, this after me tell her some more if can come over there, come palav. She a go on like she don't want me over there. Ignorant fear. She don't want me to stay over there. But she a pulling with slackness. Okay, so a Gracey bedroom this year. All this me can come palav in a too. You can't stop me. Watch big TV on wall. I tell her to put a little TV down at the bottom and put a big TV. A little TV up here so. She said she not down there so.
I love my phone.
When she lay down in her bed, she want to see big screen.
Yep.
Watch that girl bathroom. That girl Gracey Wells set up bathroom and thing. Hey, this house here, I see where it has stay. Gracey coming like she on the walk in the house and she not touch nothing.
Yep.
Every day you got a Gracey house, I saw it look. Every single day you got a Gracey house, I saw it look. Yeah. But anyways, when I go tell you now, we are come to the end of the video. Gracey send me this and not send me the kitchen. Why? Why not think so? Why Gracey not send me the kitchen? I understand she get house tour and the kitchen not in there. Nothing can go so. We never see this yet.
Downstairs.
Yeah, send me house tour and
of course I'm doing
some
laundry.
And that me they want to tell her. She not send me the kitchen.
Clothes are dry.
So she must just go and cook and go take the kitchen and she has seen the video.
Yep.
And she never want nobody to see it. So she just do which part, whatever.
That's it.
And that's it. Bye guys.